installing the grill and headlights. Couldn't wait. I was trying to wait until I plastic dipped the truck, but yeah, I just have to. But the plastic dip is coming soon. But for now, car wash, then I'm installing the headlights and the grill. Yeah. So here's the old one before I take it off. See, normally it was dull gray with chrome, but it was coming off. Plastic dipped it black, rust from when I sanded the truck and then it got wet. And then this is the new one with the new headlights and stuff. So hopefully it looks pretty good. Let's hope so, because I don't know. But forgot. Bam. So hopefully it looks pretty sick on the truck. But we'll find out. So I removed them. Now I'm gonna take off the bolts off the grill, so I can remove the grill. And I forgot, I think the headlights will come out too. We'll see. Or we'll find out actually. So basically, took off all the bolts, and now the grill just comes off, the headlights stay. I don't know about this bottom part, I didn't see. Should have got a new one. But I'll just have to put it back. I didn't see that. So, yeah. And then I believe just unbolt these. And they're out. So I had leftover paint from the trim, so I'm just painting it black. So hopefully it's comes out okay. So I also did this since it was off. I don't know. I'm hoping it looks cool after the whole grill's black and then you see this, but I don't know, hopefully I didn't mess up, but we'll see. Now I'm gonna take these off right now because I painted that black, the little strip that goes under the grill. So yeah. So there it is. Everything's off. Now time to install these. And then the grill, then the rest. Bam. This is the old grill. So what I did next, I took off these little nut things right there, off the side markers, and then I'm installing them on the new ones. Well, I'm gonna finish bolting it on. It was out, but I'm gonna get a new one, so I'm gonna install it without this. Took these parts off the old grill, so I need to put these. I kind of forgot about them, so put them on, and then I can put the bolts on. So these are the clips that I clipped on. So this is a finished product. Looks pretty good. I'm pretty satisfied. I think it looks a little more aggressive. The emblem looks pretty tight too. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'll turn on the lights. They appear a little bit darker, more blue in the video, but they're actually not even that blue. In person, it looks better than the video. I'm pretty satisfied for now. Thanks for watching. Comments, whatever. I look at them. Thanks.